Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We're going to use software such as Python to create the plots, and we'll discuss what they represent. The code is in the pinned comment. Alright, so if you haven't done the previous question, you can go to that, or you can just pause the video. So here is the previous question. We've got today's question, which is we've got a varying pressure from 100 psia to 300 psia. Alright, so here's the previous question. I won't go through it. You can watch that video for the explanations. Just pause the video if you want to recap. Alright. So here's all the manual working. Okay. So I'll open up the Python code just because the screenshots is a little bit small, so it's going to be a little bit difficult to read. Okay. So let me run the code and I will explain what is going on. Alright, so let's start with the table. So we start off with 100 psia, end at 300, and here is our final quality. We've also got the specific volumes as well as the percentage of the quality. Okay, so the orange is the base case, so that is the manual working. Alright, so now we will go to the TV diagram. So if you've done this manually, then you know what's going on, or if you've watched the previous video. Basically, we started off as a superheated state, or superheated vapor. It cooled with a constant volume and ended in a saturated mixture. So, as you can see, here's all the values given. Alright, and here's the saturation curve. Alright, so here is the quality versus pressure plot. Now this is zoomed in. It should be a log graph, and it is a decreasing log graph. So it's an reverse exponential curve. Instead of climbing upwards, it is going down. So you can see there is some dips, and it sharply dips around here. Okay, so what does that mean? Basically, your quality will decrease as the pressure increases. That is what this graph is telling you, and it is decreasing at an exponential rate. Okay, so as you can see, it initially was at the 0.45, and then it rapidly decreases as the pressure increases, and you will notice the change around about 140 psia. So there is definitely a steep decline. And of course the orange is our base, so our baseline or base case, meaning that this was our manual working. Okay, and then as you can see, after 140, So around about 160, it starts to plateau. So it's more of a smooth curve. Okay, so that explains that plot. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Once open, click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the Start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording, and then save your video. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.